Hey guys, it's Bailey. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but I am back and I'm ready to start filming videos again. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday curls. Sometimes they are a little bit more beachy waves and sometimes they're more structured curls, and I'll show you the difference between that and how I get that today. Please don't forget to check out my Instagram and Facebook page. I will have a link for those down in the description. Go ahead and give me a follow. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in being a model, I am taking models at the salon that I just started at for a discounted price, so feel free to message me on either Facebook, Instagram, or you can email me. I'll put my email down below as well, and we can get you in for hair color, haircuts, highlights, balayage, pretty much anything you can think of, I do it. Alright, now let's get on to this video. So first up, I like to do is put some dry shampoo in. I do this even when I have clean hair, just because I have such thin hair that if I don't kind of fluff it up, it gets flat. Also, I have tape and extensions that are pretty high up on my head, and I like to hide those well, so I'll spray in some dry shampoo. This works awesome for like second, third day hair. For me personally, I cannot get away with it on fourth day hair. I kind of have to ponytail it after that. And I like to take my hair dryer and I like to blow dry my hair back and forth to really make it look like I have fresh hair. So I blow dry my hair on medium heat and then I'll just brush it back out. What I'm going to do before I start curling my hair is I am using the Living Proof Perfect Day Hair Heat Styling Spray. This stuff is really awesome. You can actually put it on dry hair and it's not gonna fry your hair when you go to curl it, straighten it, any kind of heat on it, crimp it. So I like to usually section out my hair into two sections here. So kind of from like my temples, just straight back. And I will go ahead and clip that up. This clip that I'm using is called an alligator clip. You can see that it kind of looks like a crock. So the iron that I like to use is the Ionic brand. It's 1 1/4 inch. I cannot remember where I got this, so I will do my best to find it online and link it below. It's got an extra long barrel. It's meant for extensions. Works great for long hair. Works great for short hair as well. I used to use it on my very short hair. So I'm gonna take a section in the back, probably about just kind of whatever I feel like. If I'm wanting bigger waves that day, I'll take a larger section. This is if I'm wanting kind of curls. If I want waves or like I'm running late and I still kind of want to give it that curl shape, I'll take like a big chunk. It's pretty big. But I like to start at the top, kind of rotate it down once. Obviously move my hair out of the way with my hand. And I will just walk it down. So kind of open it up, release a little bit. And you'll start to see that end slowly get in there. Now, obviously that one fell out, but I'm happy with it, so I'm gonna leave it. So I'll just kind of toss that behind me. I'm done with it. It's out of my way. Start on a new section. So grab my iron, open it up. And you can touch the top part on this. We're just gonna walk it down. So making sure the hair's out of the way. And for this type of curl that you're doing, it's very important that you hold the iron vertically. It's gonna give you more of that like waved, beachy effect instead of like a pageant curl kind of. So I'm gonna leave it there for a few seconds. I am curling my hair on 360. I'm paying attention to these ends, making sure that they're going straight. Now don't touch them while they're hot. If you do touch them while they're hot, it will basically destroy the work that you just did. There's two ways that your hair holds a curl. It's once while you're doing it on the iron, and then when you're releasing it, this is also giving it its shape. So you can twist it while it's doing that, and it's gonna help it. You can comb it out, and it's gonna make it less curly. And it's obviously not Play-Doh, so it's not going to do exactly what you want, but it's going to hopefully give it a little bit of a better shape. Now, a tip that I have for fine hair, I highly recommend using a texture spray to hold your curls. You can put it in before and after, or just after. Texture spray, it's a little bit more of a lightweight hold. And if you think about it, for fine hair, if you put strong hold hairspray in, for some reason your curls always fall. And it's because the hairspray is too heavy. The actual weight of the product on your hair is weighing the curl down, and it's making it to where it's not going to hold. So texture spray I use, and I've found that that's one of the only things that works for me. Curls sit for about a couple of minutes, at least 5 minutes, I would say. My hair has been sitting for a second. We're gonna take the texture spray. This is the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. You can even fluff the top a little bit, spray it. You can take this crown piece, spray it. Now that our curls are completely cool, taking our fingers, combing right through them. Same thing with this front piece. For me, I really have to make sure this front piece is completely cooled because it is my natural hair, and if it's not completely cooled, it will not hold that curl. It will be straight, and the rest of my extensions will be completely curled. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching this video on how I get my everyday curls. There will be more makeup videos to come. I'm super excited about it. If y'all have any requests that you would like to see for hairstyling, makeup videos, any tips, tricks that you want me to film, please let me know. You can DM me on Instagram, you can DM me on my Facebook, you can put them in the comments down below. Just let me know and I will film it. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them. Just shoot me a message and I will respond. See y'all in my next video. Bye.